Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is David Osamoji. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say thank you. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate your time. You guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing. You guys have been good. You guys have been sticking around. So my channel is all about creating designs that sell, designs for Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, Society 6. Any print on demand side you can think of. This is what my channel is about. I create these designs and you can use it as inspiration for yours. You can use it as motivation for yours, just to get an idea of how your design should be, what kind of design sell and all. So without wasting much of time, I want to tell you to subscribe if you've not subscribed. For those that have subscribed, I say thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Let's go straight right into it. We're going to be using canva.com for this design. It's going to be a simple design, a very simple design. So create a design, custom dimension 4500 by 5400. This is standard. So you create a new design, and for this you're just going to go straight into it, and I'm just going to click on elements. So I'll go to elements, look for a pilot. This is a pilot. So let's look for I know I got this wrong. Pilot. So let's look for pilot. So most of this time you find that you need to pay for elements. Most of the elements are not free. Most of the elements are not free. So I'll just go for plain. Just go for plain instead and just find a simple design. So we have this simple design. I'll just increase it, move your cursor to this edge and just increase it. Then you duplicate that again. Control to duplicate, all you have to do.
I don't understand.
All you have to do, sorry about that. All you have to do now is to duplicate this layer. So to do that, you press your Alt key button on your keyboard, your left mouse key button, and drag downwards. And drag downwards again. So now you have that, and you can just change the colors of the plane. You can just change the colors of the plane. You can just change the colors. The design should not be complicated. As you can see, this is a simple design. Very simple design. It did not take me much time. So now I'm just going to click on download. If you need to download, you need your design without the white background, I will advise you to get Canva Pro. Check the first link in the description. You get 1 month free on me if you use my link. If you use my link, you get 1 month free on me. They're not going to charge you. So you just click on downloads. You're going to prepare your download and it's going to download it for you. So once it's done, it's going to download it. All you have to do is to go to the folder where it has been downloaded and you're good to go. Go to the folder, show folder, and you see it there. You see it there, you just click on it and you're good to go. With that said, to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay safe.